How to enter tax forms 1098E, T or C in H&R Block online. Are you ready to tackle tax forms 1098E, 1098T or 1098C in H&R Block's online platform? These forms are crucial for reporting various types of income and expenses, such as student loan, interest, tuition payments, and charitable contributions. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of entering these tax forms in H&R Block online, ensuring accurate reporting and potential tax savings. So let's get started. Begin by accessing the following link that says H&R Block 1098 form. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the purpose and significance of tax forms 1098E, 1098T and 1098C. Gather relevant documents, including any Form 1098E received from your student loan servicer, Form 1098T from your educational institution, or Form 1098C from charitable contributions. Log in to your H&R Block online using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one using the tax filing platform. Navigate to the section of your H&R Block online account where you can enter tax forms or income sources. Look for the option to add a new form or income source and select the appropriate form type from the menu. Enter the information from Form 1098E, 1098T or 1098C into the corresponding fields in H&R Block online. This was everything you needed to know about tax forms 1098E, T or C in H&R Block.